are the fuse boxes in the 2021 GMC Acadia, and why is the diagram important? The fuse boxes are located under the hood and inside the cabin. The diagram helps quickly identify and replace faulty fuses, ensuring proper electrical function. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2021 GMC Acadia is designed to protect key electrical systems such as engine control, lighting, and safety components. It features labeled fuses for easy identification, a durable cover to protect from dust and moisture, and a layout that allows for simple access when replacing fuses. This ensures efficient maintenance and troubleshooting of the vehicle's electrical systems. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2021 GMC Acadia provides protection for the vehicle's interior electrical components, such as power windows, the infotainment system, and climate controls. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification, a user-friendly layout for quick maintenance, and secure placement behind a panel in the passenger footwell area to protect it from damage or dust. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2021 GMC Acadia manages electrical components for the rear section of the vehicle, such as rear lighting, power outlets, and auxiliary power. It features a secure cover for protection against dust and debris, clearly labeled fuses for easy identification, and is easily accessible from the cargo area by removing the side panel.
type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.